video of this dead among the living girl. Omonoma enegbe. Omono hua. Omonama koko. Niba bonlere rejectbe. I don't understand. You understand? I cannot watch that kind of video. God forbid bad thing. I reject it. God forbid it was all for her. If that thing I even mistakenly go click on one word enter my ear for inside. Ask me is a last for the way I'll take the throw speed. Yeah, women on even do you understand what I'm saying? I did the video. I told Osadiaye, I said Osadiaye, that thing you did was wrong. Truth be told. Now, because say you and Frank get problem, now I make you not take on. Because me, I believe say if I tell you say drop the video. Why am I bogbe? Not be waiting Frank come they talk say, well now they mommy let love lead. Why you go to insult the papa? I be your mom, I be a boy. Which kind of your language be that one be your mom be a boy? Frank, me I fair come for you. Which kind of language be that one say not be papa send them? Are you okay? If somebody like that dead about the living can come out to throw words to her dead mother and her dead father, who died can trauma to where you're not supposed to trauma to. Who is this father not to throw where anybody don't go curse? Then you came out from Victor. They talk they tell Mama let love lead say why he go they curse. Oh, your basera, papa, never anak bell back one. We don't bell one, not bell one, not bell one. So for your mind, you were talking. You sabi talk, Frank. Say, why did they insult the boy, the girl, papa? I be your mind, be a hoe. Like, seriously? Are you okay right now? A child that could stand up and go pull mouth for where you're not supposed to pull mouth. Then you they accuse, you they tell the people say, the papa were born and not send them. Who cares about the father and the stupid dead among the living family? So long she could gather that mind to sit down and do that kind of rubbish video. The family, no one is exempted. Everybody are allowed to lay curse on that family. Can you say, can you have unda your best word there, or you so lo bet too. Ebonana mo agin oba, egbo ya no, a oni ya rian. Ebona amu gbo rin oba, rin amu biye, ra biye no bi orin oba. Iyan sunwu. That's for that. Sadiaye, the video you shared, I will still tell you, it was wrong. It was wrong. Do you know why? In case of next time, that kind of video, you can let us. I did a video. I believe that you see him. You can let us on that generation. The generation of that girl. The Peking or no be nobody will come right and say why they swear for person Peking. If I bought la money, go so hungu. More money, Sarah, no to no your back ya tie. And you know what? They know ya film man do be. Who be no be man do eh? Who no be no figure. Oh, told him why ya na you can't talk. Oh yeah, you know you can't be no ya sanedo. Every bono we taking say. I na bolo for. So there in case of next time, that kind of video, you can lay curse on that person. But you sharing that video was not fair. You repeating or playing that video on your platform was a no-no. Thank God you have learned your lesson. In case of next time, nobody is telling you not to talk about it. But please, in case of next time, don't play that video on your live video. Because a honor. Or maybe so, it gets to kind of where your ear go here. Now, Benin people, they use and tell me parable say, Korea. For you, because why? I believe say I'm waffle. You understand? I'm waffle. And am I Ekiama ese any yakin. I believe say you want share and make people for no, make people for the Lakers on. But you can likewise you get the thing they talk that kind of thing. But you sharing it or repeating it on your platform, it wasn't fair. You couldn't have done that. In case of next time, don't share that kind of video on your platform and don't replay it on your platform. Just be laying cost on that person. That's for that. Okay. I believe now say you don't learn your lesson. Fine. Case of next time. I'm not telling you not to lay cost on but lay cost on a generation. Era can all second or can you second year ye bolle here? Oguno. Ogwa so guavano. Ogbele here can you said muda. You salo boanirame. I swaba ho. I soon will gigba. No swaba ho. A sagging or yasa. Be a car gig. And I bowl for. Case of next time. Don't share that video. Because I do you know where you will be beneath. If you can stand to watch that video. Do you know there are some really beneath people? When they play that live video for your platform. There are some really beneath people that will stay away from your platform for that few time. Because they don't want to hear that thing. When you measure, I cannot hear it. I cannot. Oh, salobo agume yo me ya enyo weji. Salobo poe. E sera no yo bayi me. Ina ya gwa lo ima tete mi e ni no iladia asevati but he block ya so that I will not be saying a rubbish. That's me for you. Because I know I not so see you say do many vieno and he work here. And you Frank Victor. You they forget about the show. I remember now you they talk say why else are they insult a power mede, chief of mede. You they insult chief of mede. Now you start on now. You see I'm say Frank, you know the talk truth. You say you the talk truth. You know the talk truth. Time matter. One, the time where chief of mede, they at the Murphy side where they say that they send the Murphy message to come they do video. You were the one that was always coming at laying cost and insulting Chief Omede and all the Chief Omede, Epa Fosa, and all of them. You started it. You said they were a fake chief. Now, you got to talk and say, may they go look on, they go see and say, Chief Omede, name, he there for list. You started insulting me because I was fighting for my great kingdom. Because I will come out then and go and be laying cost and your bar, monkey face and all of them. You supported the Yore on this media. Una when I but the same thing Osadiaye did when he and the Yore come be friends. But you were the one that started it, Frank. Frank, let me remind you of something. You know what thing, eh? If I say if something not the favor una the saga the thing. If something the favor una call the paint and white. Most especially you, Frank. Now you want to you now, Chief of Medina is now a chief. A chief in nobody bueno. But you remember the time when you insult him. Let me tell you, for what you thought say let lovely talk. That was very true. All the chiefs in the palace were being warned to stay away from live video presenters. I was shocked that Chief of Medina could call you. Because they were all warned. Anything not kind live video presenters. Because he get what happened some time ago. Where be say all those people where all those some chiefs go they talk to, all those live video presenters, they begin come and they talk nonsense, they talk what they don't know. That was when they were being bound. The same reason, let me tell you, if you don't know, you they talk on now. Mama Joy, Emi I wanna. The what I call this man Izobogbada. The same reason he was banned and driven away from the palace. This was the same reason because they warned him to stay away from social media and live video presenters. But Chief Omede called you on a live screen and later he changed the mind saying no, so you do live video and he knew. That for that, it not concern me. Let me write that post, come and say, I think say they want on the chief make they stay away from presenters. Like seriously, what are you people saying? You can lay us on Ogionba, but you calling chiefs because we know what it don't stop for inside. Now so I just call some chiefs. Nah. Now so they just talk say nah. Now so it starts. That was why they were being stopped. Okay, for that. Nah. Frank, you they fight for do. Walk me on the door, clap for yourself. The time why they fight, even till now I'm still fighting. You say, Imaye Nekbe me. Mama Mila Akin, or my no. Mama, Mama, Uleledo, mommy boy, she don't know what she they do. This mommy where they do, where they use Bini, mommy, Leledo, she dey Italy. You say she don't know what they do. You be insulting all of them, insulting all of us that was fighting the palace. Frank, you better say you they forget yourself. Are you mad right now? I'm not here to saga any of you. But Frank, are you okay? You did say for Osadiaye to post that video, which was very wrong. Osadiaye, don't ever do that again. You were very wrong. You say now, Ogionba, Frank, to start with, now you, now don't trauma to palace. Even the Osadiaye so, me and I know they play, not concern any of now. But Osadiaye never trauma to palace. When if you get why? Frank, come and listen to yourself. If bless you, they forget yourself. You say, mommy, let Lord live. You say, nah, Ogiamie Pikin. So now see Ogionba. You forget, say the time when you dey talk, say, temata, aguye kenana temata ta wu, yamana temata ta wu, wa tata wanyo, then you still there for Germany. That time, remain few weeks when they wanted to deport you from Germany to Italy. That time they live with Oyibo for us. What you can't they do, after Oyibo don't drive you for us, they don't almost deport you. What you can't they do live video for inside garden, for inside bush, then you can't they do live video or for street plat. You forget. When you they shout, you wanted to be recognized at that time. I cannot believe now, France, say you they call people Ogionba. You don't do the one way all these people they do so. Where Sarah even do, you don't do them. You have thrown words to our palace. When me, Mama, Mama Bilakin, all of us, even you lose followers that time. For that video where you do. Now you they forget yourself. Who are you? Where may they go call? We don't have to pay. We don't really a chief here. We go you call the talk now. Who is talking? Look at you. Why he go me make baby social media now? Frank, sit down. Let me remind you. Sit down. Let me remind you. Let me play your voice for you. The video you did. The video you did some few years ago. Let me play it for you. Wait till you use your mouth to talk. Where on it? Who for? Then who are you bugbear where guanta? Now you can they call because say mama let Lord talk you they call her Ogionba. I don't believe say Chief of Mede. In the follow live video where he go talk say no see that video. This video where you do that time. And I mean when you don't tear a platform. Who are you? You where they fight people where they fight for palace at them. I bet you forget. You were fighting all of us for standing and laying curse on Ogionba. Now you are not coming out. What are you saying? What do you have to say? Please share this video. Listen to Frank Victor. Frank Victor, listen to yourself a few years ago. Listen. And I will post. When you were doing this video, before I played your voice, now just few seconds now, your record for inside. Before I play your voice. Then you were fighting for Utekon community. I came from Utekon. You use Utekon community matter to rob our honorable Eharanogwedo here. Egwe ni manedo yagaga. Una tenugeta. Uwega abie begeni. Abetu mwanyo. Uye. Uwa gwan wetu temata. You say if you talk and I don't say you don't drink, you were really drunk maybe because you they forget yourself where. Make I put the way they do the video, the comment where Ogiamie family they comment for you where you they tell them thank you. Make I put on here, maybe you they see. When you make begbe everywhere here, everywhere sakan. Frankie. What go me a make be? When moi na boldly, na gbo ya bere. This one are the comments where Ogiamie children, they comment for your video the day when you do this video where you for wear put towel for neck. The day nu wear this one are the comment. Now you they say mommy let love lead of your Ogiamie no Ogiamie people they started all these things. But the day you heard against the Benin people, this was Ogiamie's family, Ogiamie's useless daughters and sons. This was the comment they were putting on your video. Like Ogiamie Rita, the real Ogioba that was calling all the presenters, made they do video against the papa and the mama. The useless Ogioba, where even call me, he offer me money, I swear for him, I block him. The useless Ogioba, where they buy bid, but they give monkey face. This was the comment she wrote on your platform on that very day. God bless you, sir. Right on, sir. Rita Ogiamie and the other one Ogiamie, they were Ogiamie. That your video on that day was full of Ogiamie family. They were hailing you. Una Zagadabu, I will say the truth. Let me play it for you, Frank. When no ni Sam no Frank, yeah, walking here see you say the way wa because where Ogioba to buwa working. Who were few begedo. Muda wena huwa. Wame ni cow, any car aju wama okpokpa. The great ancestors of our land will be disgracing you all. Look at what you are saying. Because you want to be known. You want to be superior. Before you do live video now, I come meet you that yesterday, I don't pass all of now. Who they use live video? Now live video take the fit. Who they use live video take the brag? Are you mad? And you not here, you went to work 2 days. I don't they work. Now only 2 times you come out for house, you go to the street, say don't they work. That's where they work, don't get time till they do live video 24 hours. Are you okay? So let me play it for you. Let me play the video. When I'm listening very well. Okay? I go louder. Frank, listen to yourself. Do when me make boy.
They come back and you know go to but at the same palace, they would fight with too. The same palace, they oppress us. The same palace, they kill us. You might drink. Now our palace, that's the reason why we get full man to talk. It cannot say what I will. Truth is bitter. Somebody to say that. The same palace where we they use our platform they fight for. Now the same palace they oppress us. The same palace put many of us for that danger. The same palace make many of us that for Batana Sea.
Are you listening to yourself, Frank? For this one now, you were saying the truth. You know, hey, Umaro Remanabi. I don't know when Palace become president or governor. I don't know when Palace they call all the youth for Benin say, Mona enter road, Mona enter river, Mona go abroad. But this was the video you do some years ago. Have you forgotten? I'm not here to do anything with you guys, or maybe me I call the saga. You not concern me because me I did very busy this period. Because me, if they don't see, they don't do. Now I be for where I for the work. I'm working. I'm the second in command. I'm Tylon, man, we shift man. Do you understand what I'm saying? I'm a meow, so he me your boy, and of recent, two people, they need to move, come on, go another city. They're not there for our working place again. So long you get a position for work. If your shift, they're short of workers, you have to be covering it up. Sometimes I feel days I go day off. Somebody go sick, come. They have to call me, say me I come. I have to go because that's what I'm being paid for. Now they pay me more than some people for the same work where they work. Now what I they do be that. Now me pull hand. You understand? So as somebody where they hold position, you have to be always there. You understand? Even though me now here I need to go. I don't dare ask one day, I did for holiday. Or God call me. He said me I can't order something. I need to go. I there for holiday because now I make my salary big past many people. Do you understand what I'm saying? I don't have time. But I they see una since they talk. I hear they look all of that they laugh. Most especially you, Frank. I hear they look you, they laugh. You say, Mama, let Lord live now, back. How? You forget what you do years ago. Even when he don't remind you, you were fighting for Utekon. And you were talking nonsense. A lot of people unfollowed you because of this video. Can you still remember? Let me play it for you again. When we back when we know damn you. When me make social media na mostly buena.
But at the same palace, they would fight with too. The same palace, they oppress us. The same palace, they kill us. You might drink. Now our palace, that's the reason why we get full man to talk. It cannot tell what I will. Truth is bitter. Somebody to say that. The same palace where we use our platform they fight for. Now the same palace they oppress us. The same palace put many of us for that danger. The same palace make many of us that for Batana Sea. Yes, now. I'm going to one of my eye. Can only show, can only go. Miami, in Marivedoba, a house of one. I don't have to know him, I'm going back. I know. You know your book, I know.
So you understand? And then we were fighting on Obaseki when Obaseki started his nonsense. You came out to insult everybody when they fight Orionba. You say we not get sense. You say now shower the warriors at the end of the day. You they call women a shower at the end of the day. We be when I be whoa. Or see a bagmona. Ah we me. Ah re me who bagmona. Unda meke na be back we. A man de no be. E do we baby. A man no kayore. Did you understand what I'm saying? Ah we me bagmona asok me dobo. Wagiage mi u wagbona. Ugu wagwa se. Eta amu e god you the social media because of $5. A video 2 years ago of Yegbela Jane. You were fighting all of us that was against Obaseki when he started his nonsense. You were fighting all of us. You say, wow, we're fighting Obaseki. You say Obaseki is right. You say nobody is above the law. Go and listen to the video again. You say Obaseki have every right to sue palace. You said many things on this video. But you don't forget everything now. Now you are not coming out to say, I post everybody. You were right, say you tell Osajaye say if I don't post that video. But you can't call everybody. Anybody where they let us on Sarah and his papa and his generation. Oh, your papa yaki. Hey, mommy, let love live. Oh, your banner. No, Osajaye. Oh, your banner. Frankie, who were ya? Who were gele wanyo? Hey, wanyo be. I know my boy. Because of me, I make boy be. A party for me there. With all due respect. We are tawu we ma ije video nare. A boy na we even tie na. The time where you they call Eddie Murphy. Baga we na. This boy was insulting you, insulting everybody. But na ye we he let it na with the election. Ko ben election ya so me ya. E we ya tie. E pa o me de chief o me de. Have your one gboma. Ovi okana o karo wie wene o ti o be la don do wie we u we memi e me na do fi pe gi we ma wo vi okana mi ropa oro vi wa ya mi ono ma ro ye he even go insult izoduwa imaswe when they talk about our history, the history of Benin, our great Benin kingdom. He insulted him on this video. Say why he go they talk. He go come they talk and what he not know. Why he go they fight for palace. You insulted everybody. And now you are not standing there. You not even fear. You not get sense. You not think back. You sat down there to talk. Say, nobody should talk about it. You are fighting for the palace. She got anybody that posted that kind of video is an Ogyoba. Yes, Osadiaye wasn't right. posting that video. And I believe he has learned from this. If he hasn't learned from it, he should learn from it. That kind of video, you don't share it. As of yet, don't get out yet do. Another bomb was at the eye warrior sign. So, except if you're anyway, so long get out yet don't. Do you understand what I'm saying? Except your son. Except your son, but your son. As of yet, though, you don't do that again. But you not coming out to call the label, even the TikTok women where they talk, your people wana ogyoba, and we forget who we kawa ogyoba. Eh, Frankie, we wanyo, me atane where they talk wanyo. Eh, wanyo be anyo married boy. Nah, the same chief of mede. Now you the hey na, hana ro here, a hot chief. Ona okbia, the chief who when we marry here. The chief for pan or one where my few back dear Frankie. They now unu where can because I tell the way it is. Wait till you they talk. I always say the truth. Which truth you they talk? I say the way it is. Wait till you they talk. Most of the things you are saying, you are doing it out of saga. You do things out of saga. When you say the truth, because say you are person get saga, you don't want to talk. That's you. That's you. You keep on saying it now. Now because it not work for you and mama let love lead. Now I make her now. You not do anything. You can't they want the saga you. Not be this saga where they ground they make her they talk to you. Now because it not work between two of you now. Listen, mama let love lead. I not tell you lie. You fucked up to even stoop low for this boy. But another thing, I not still blame you because you are a woman. You not marry over water. You can date anybody you want to date because you're an adult. But Frank, if now that one you want on the talk, say, because say the woman they talk, say now because of that one you want on the use that one. Say they chatting and say, oh hey gay go you call the tell what thing will never fair here. The two presenters so you don't strive for this live video. You can't talk as they are to become you think say that them you they disgrace? No, one of them married. Now let that one I recognize. She married, luxury wedding as she do. Go see her now, she they wearing for live video. As you try to bring them down rich. Udo people, you insulted the whole of Udo because of me. Because say you know say I be from Udo. You insulted the whole of Udo. Who give you Udo. And no insult you not throw to Udo. Then last when you can't see say, proud mom, her husband are from Udo. Did you know say proud mom, husband? I'm related to proud mom husband. You don't know. I dey look you in a way because I know say proud mom go fit subdue you. Or see a man boy and you might dem your boy. Latin. Because you see and say proud mom husband are from Udo. You call the hype Udo. Udo people. Udo is a respected town. Udo is this. I dey look you, I dey laugh. This is the same Udo you insulted. Don't we make you pay do Frankie? Ya segbe matu doye keve. Wom ye we. Urom ye yani ya segbo ebo amagba. Urom ye ya. Do mama pan we make you pay ya. Ave chifi abo kabe ya no do den we make you pay. Then we make do just to be recognized. Just to be recognized. You say you tell the truth. Now say your matter. A palace. This was the same thing the movie was saying. If he did live video, he go say, as I hear the talk, so that they watch me from palace. Where you start with the saga and you the insult them. Nah, you call the talk and now you they watch from palace. Clap for yourself. Kojo. Come on, make I warn all of you now. Remove palace from your mouth. Most especially you, Frank. If you want to let all the presenters, if you want to let us to Onogyoba, don't ever mention the name of our palace or you put our great God picture on your wall. Because enika no why but when we ask one thing why ya bigidi. Why here fefe why look here. Because I cannot imagine now where a Frankie boy do Allah do agwana. We were robbing my here where we magu see me osege we magu mo bogon bagwe we mama rewebo every mama mi odo. Maybe the day I'll get chance I can't talk about this man and this baby papa and baby mama where they waka for street. You came out, you supported the man. If a man can be that lousy on live video, that be say na beast for inside house. That girl is a very young girl. The man is older than the girl. 100% older than the girl. Who know what that girl passed through? Because the girl say no, they do again. See the way the man take they talk. Some girls, I don't even know how you guys choose men. I cannot date, I keep on saying I cannot date a man that is not educated. A man that is so lousy. The way he talks, I dey wonder, how can a young girl like this, a beautiful girl like this, go marry this guy? Not be even say, okay, the man is older than you. It's not a problem. Age is not a problem. But the man is an illiterate. A stark one at that. I cannot open my toto for a stark illiterate. God forbid. But you came out, Frank, you were supporting that man. You see how lousy that man is. A real man will not do what he's doing. If he can be doing that in the public, on life, imagine what they do to that small girl for inside house. When made that small girl say, Irikun. Frank, if you're not there for the rightful position, because the people say, more than they talk, now people, now you. Now me go tell. You go no can't do because who raw. Because you passed material sin. See, not be our great palace send you, may you go past river. But you throw words to our great palace. You don't forget. Me make boy besha. La diano do boy. But I just come and remind you. Do you understand? Let me play it for you again. Mona for carry this video now. We want cut on. Make I play and again Mona listen.
They come back said nobody's. But at the same palace, they would fight with too. The same palace, they oppress us. The same palace, they kill us. They might drink. Now our palace, that's the reason why we get full man to talk. It cannot tell what I will. Truth is bitter. Somebody to say that. The same palace where we use our platform they fight for. Now the same palace they oppress us. The same palace put many of us for that danger. The same palace make many of us that for Batanasi. Yes, no.
Dame boy. Agwanta wo. Me ma bege mi weta mama. Isan dan ogwari ya ni san kakabo. Wage age mi u wagbona. Ne mi ma u no de. Ne do ahonti marena. Making a palace na the same palace we are fighting for. And now I don't know what is wrong with you. What is really your problem? When you don't hear, then you be still in Germany. We are talking about what you got gwanta wama gwanta wo. You insulted everybody that are talking about the history of our great kingdom. You were insulting everybody that was standing and against what Orion Bass on social media we are doing. Then now you not come and say, oh, but why Sarah na bieni? And then they say, no, Orion Bass no sun no guana gbere no guana gbo money yo ukegbe. Oh, but na bieni. All these things that we go over now, if you go over now, unu wa ni do. It's our palace. We need to talk. There are things you say. There's even what you said. You said something on this video. I know you just played the film. I just called this small place. You say, you take talking. You say, the palace. A lot of me I know. You say a lot of corruption they go on for Italy where you did. Of course, you said it. Let me tell you. Or where but me where a mess so raw. Not take me a have any. No ga away me no magba. When I be zobo ga ajere here. I can do fishy and ladia. But there's a way you say it as oviedo. Ni vie gwen on nous. Emi ya nu waga tabe do. Nu waga ye boya ta wawe. Palace is our. We need to talk to our palace. Iwe ta emwa. Eri gbovio mo bona do ya gwi ma hon. Ni ana gwegbe ahon la mi. Ni ba bo ana la ye gbe. Okpe ari no okwo no. Oh ye do no oh vie gwen no. No if you pe ge do me. No if you pe ge o do ni me na yun katon. Oga suhungu de na bro wa yan wa mo wi yan wa uta wa wa. Iba bi ba boga la yan gbe. Yo bi yo boya yan gbe ni bi yan wa. Ebi yo bala me ka ebi yo bo pa yan ya ka e. Ebi ni ka no tornado ka e. Mu da we. Ebi no wa una o ma sunu de. Obuwa ebi no wa ta we agwan ta wa ma gwan ta wo. Ebi no wa ebi me nwa de. You want de na kubi ba na we be ka we egwa I tell you to ba no bi ona to la mugun we alegwa agbara but because wo wa you hu ya gba me wa la me la we bone wa ten wa ye ga agwan ta wa ma gwan ta wo you just on camera and be saying nonsense iwe enu opasunu as a if you don't want garnish up, una can say it's our palace. They're not the bad person for palace, but we need to say the truth. Any yan water, ana do bomi wa do bomu chiefy, no me where or when you no magba. Oh, me na wa ba. Any yan water. Vie go do ya vie go ni avio mo bodo ya ni ado ya worry ya na ni ba bona la ya gbe. Look at what you said on this video. The day you did this video, Monkey Face was on your life. He was commenting. You never blocked him. You didn't block him on that day. I was there live. I was watching. Oh, my, can you watch? You say, who's there? Ro. I left there immediately. Pwah! Now, Monkey Face was there. There was one day I called on TikTok. About a few months ago, Monkey Face called in. If I said no more, they bring him up. I said, don't listen. Ogun, baby, why you Tori immediately? Because my work your pastor to have the same platform. Well, some of them go down or see a bonnery. There was a time from Victor, you were hailing Monkey Face. You say, see now, una go sue Monkey Face, una don't lose now. Ooh, you were talking nonsense. You were hailing Monkey Face. The same chief I want to buy that you are hailing now is the same chief that you came and say, why you go call Monkey Face? Then there was a time Chief Omede and some other chiefs, they called Monkey Face to talk to him, to give him sense. But here my head to ban for life. Ban on yeme diagma biabe. E diagma biabe. Bano, a generation but they don't know. They try to call him and as in talk some sense into him. The same Chief Omede, you came out to insult him. You insulted him for a few weeks. Or see, Epa Omede, you're on a wepa. Atitineta remiu. Epa, you know, I used to love you. I called you father. Daddy, that's your way. Epa, I will tell you the truth. Epa, stay away from presenters. Oh, not here way. Not here when you are begging or again. It's such a pity. O janu de orian we do ye gbe yafio. Emi no magba and a cat tamu wa we. Emi no kind presenter. Ibi e kana ni we bo na rivi yan magba. Nu wa re ige kan wa. When me no bani, who drop only me who go. The same thing also know that this chief were there for England. When go call me Monkey Face okbea. He tried to deny and say no, he just take a hell. But the way he take hell, he miss it. The way he take pick he call hell, he miss it. They fed the top for his house. So chief for me, they are not putting it directly to you. Say you and this boy don't fed the top for his house. We wa you kana men wata. We me of you kana karone. E pa wagi amu go ye gbe megbe pa atitine agimi u. Ugwakbata na ya muye. Gwakbata emi na ya oro. Agiage miwo. Gwakbata no ya muye. Agemiwo. Ana iga titine. Agemiwo. Etagemiwo. Eluma call the mofi. Ohana na arowiyewe. Uma ibe call the mofi. The mofi na we so agbo ewodo. Ona we ibe gbegenia. Epa. Yogo ne gbo epa. Uwo momo. Ugwakbata no ro la wowo. Okano oba khame woki. Eya oru ipa. When you tama wena on your pewa dota. So Frank, ega mi ame boy. Mo, wena. Ana atabo yo baya. Veni ya la dia social media na. Uwe mu yobe bobo. Aguti yobe ogionba. Uwe mu bobo. Veni wena ere video ni yobe ubege ni omagba. Umu bobo. What are you not saying? Who were you no go una yaro? And then we tani o yedo no gele yese wa ila jungo o vi sieme o okin. No vi sieme o okin. O ma no gele o yedo ta o tegbe me no we tawo no ni. We are time president where president or see anyone will learn Mediterranean Sea. A president of your one who no more work bezer. No laze la webu. As a pool la diongue, of his CMO, of yet dota, do yet donuhi, then when a carone, who when you make buwe. He be a canary na sacan. And I dare ye me go. Yes, I loboa. Oh, can you make any not time away? Ori one doesn't be now when Moga answer, and Moga, who you have oh, we baba that he get a guy go. On his ugly, me, no, I mean, it's when you may your boy, Laviano. Masa. So wala wo wa giage beta. Eme na tana. Eme ya la jẹun no ne oye me kon ho. Iwa saga ema. So kwa. O anyo igbele se ra ti ri ra evu ko se be bi oni. Ra ti gogo se be bi oni ra to umu me se be bi oni. Iya teme no ma keke unu me. Iwe ni emi no ya me ya fu pege. E kara no gwedo hia. Egwo bama, egwo sanu dazi. Uda, o sanime, no yoto no yuhu. Keke wo bame no gyodo. O salobo ime. Me Jesus. O bimo Jesus me. Yo salobo ime bagbona. O saloba no yoto no yuhu. Ona ga no cow. O bame na ga okpo giver. Me Jesus do wa Jesus. Me Jesus. What ke Jesus re? Obime imeta emi no yame okolo ga ebo ari monye ni kame o emi na ani eni ka no to no de bo panya ni yu me fiore wa gumi aragbon ni ya yu me ya furo ni yu me ya fi pe gegwa no edo nga mo tai we ti wi agbon do go bedo aye mi ogun oba fi me ni wewe awawo nga be ni ya ire no e bokpanya ino leli mi adi agbon ovi oba na me hin yan wo bedo ri me ayi me ne yan go bedo me sufo me odo de no e mwete degbe no hin mu me sere bi oni wete agbon awo amagbon tawo ido atale me no magba to ba no bi emi ne yana to la mogun yin wo si egbon ni ya bi me ma nto egbe no bi jo na on yo ba egbe ari oudo wa ari idi ogbe era no bi era won idi ogbe no iye no bi era na ga obi efa wudo ba ya no na mo yo ba egbe egbo ba ma kere elahe matwe na mo yo ba egbe ari te kono bi epe wo u teko no kwebo e will never no be je mekere Ivie se no ye wi u teko ase o ma mi o ba bu teko awawa mani Ivie se no ye wi ma mi o ba avio sasimi oba e wu je me no kwa ma mi we no sasimi oba o ye wo o wenye do kan zaze o ye wo no ma po lo gbe so pon e yin ayaku Ivie sasi o sa na ti o sasimi oba no pewo me no sasi on ba ni yes me no po lo se ni ami o yin ba bo o yin ba ro me gbe e me gbe no bira e me gbe no bije wo kede ba bia na so why I call him in why who dimension why so ta akwa ga you why do tag why do ami pe e me no we tana Frankie o mana tegbe me na date us adiaye or we gbe video na where is it 100 tests what you oba but Frankie then we are egbu we ni e ti de ba adiaye o ma kan I don't send any of una but the truth has to be said a video we una Frankie when now we gbe down e ni me yak pe na we are egbu we e tu wero umaro ko umaro ufidon ni bi e ka gie ahia o do
but at the same palace they would fight with too. The same palace they oppress us. The same palace they kill us. You might drink.
Imagine who ever there be only. The name is not kill us. They no. He o saloboa de rave. He na who emoi. Saloboa. Any ka no to ne do. Whatever ye. Hatalakpa no gyo a. Ebo panye iya gbegbe no giro edo. Whatever ye. He gonna abungbe. Esera. Igwe to ayu nwe biye kwa imi. O moni nwe mu nyakegbe ni. O moni nwe ye nyakegbe ni. Ewe he ya ma no dosa. O yu se fa. E sag no ge wo hian yo bo we gbo moni a. Ebi o ke gaje. Iba bo ala we gbo la ragbe. Egbe ya fefe egbe nu kere ya fefe. Ho yo gbeleze ya yakin. No da we am bi o se bi oni. To pa no bi ona to la mo. Iba bo la we gbe. Ai do ge ni a o vie do. O bi gbon na maru e. O bi e gon mi gon. Gwenabe gurerie ba e wa pe so wa bo. Gwenabe si ana si era but ever do gbe jobi. O do gbe zobi be vokada. Ana si era bola wa do gbe zob. O ma mu gwe. Una wera egbe ne ba kere. Egbu gwa hia fefe do seke no we to wa ho. O wa mi bo we ya ho. O mo nu we mu yiko gbe ni. O salu ayo o fian ku. O lo kan e de bi. Uno wojo Ọlọ́run kan ni ototori egboko unless we technical oye unless we de bo panya ni me yun me ya fi ore ti an ye o kana fu egbe o we me na ere ni ka ono to ne do ye we me na ere bo panya ibi u sorry uhun aya se fa yo uhun mo nu bi aya se fa yo ebi o wa no ere ba ma we te kan se to se iwe to se wo gbe to se ba fun to se bota to we se ba bi yo re. You don't say truth on your video. You were insulting the whole of Udo because of me. And later you came out because of Pradmon. Odafe Pradmon. What do you come to do now? Oh yeah, you're going to show him. God marry. Your talk not to do anything. You insulted Udo because of me. Later you came out because you want Saga Pradmon. Udo is a respectable village. Udo is this, Udo is that. Who say you that one? I wow. You people were expecting me to come and say, a proud mommy, where you do everyone here? Need to like a proud mommy. When I run with you do, are you mad? You think I'm that stupid? When why are over here, kid tell me, or tie, or my rubber with you do, or over here was here, or walking man, or Maria La One. Why boko? If you are not tag you do my way, and you're a hey, have you a bourgeois? Who are you? Again, say, Maguna. Eme nu no ma ya we nu no ma ya ran to ya gwan eme nu na e kon ho no ga dene ogwawa o ma dewu nu ofwe Agiare you. Why got ye where ya with me? Or so good mene. Okay, Ivie. I do have you buse kagban. I do have me man. Me shani where de olita. Or where de. No wa here yak me man. Why and if you know your tag way, it's so wagbe. It's so garu wagbe and it's so munyawe. And then we tally tatatotuna. What you said now. You come out now and say, I was saying, what you said now, which truth they here? A real son of the soil. Or settle like that take beme down with tarununa. And they done all like jamunu when I know you big girl. Are you people okay? So listen to it again, then I beg my people, may I go bath. Because 3 o'clock tomorrow morning, I don't wake up again. May I play them again once.
They come back, nobody's. But at the same palace, they would fight with too. The same palace, the oppressors. The same palace, they kill us. You might drink. Now our palace, that's the reason why we get full man to talk. It cannot tell me truth is bitter. Somebody to say that. The same palace where we use our platform they fight for. Now the same palace they oppress us. The same palace put many of us for that danger. The same palace make many of us that for but not see.
Imagine. When we are said, we are one man. Where you have Buddha, a can palace now when we are we material see. You go and who you vague without the well, and many way that water we did lot people say they go drink. When I get do we are one many. Ain't about it. Who we are one many, we are very bonny. Nonsense, children. For you, Sadiaye, please, in case of next time, you sharing that video was not appropriate at all. It wasn't fair. Don't share that kind of video again and don't play it on your platform. You can use your mouth to insult that person. You don't even have to use your mouth to come and talk when that person talk again. Just lay curse on that person's generation. Anybody that comes and say, why you they insult your papa, don't be papa saying, fuck them all. Here. If you what say. You understand? So I just can't remind you, Frank. So may you shut the fuck up and get inside. Because you are just like Sarah no yoba. Uwero. When you want me I said do. Ivie. When me be we Ivie do. Where I go do when want me do with you Buddha. Nonsense. Who want me Frank? Who are vague Buddha?
They come back nobody's. But at the same palace, they would fight with too. The same palace, the oppressors. The same palace, they kill us. You might drink. Now our palace, that's the reason why we get full man to talk. It cannot tell me truth is bitter. Somebody to say that. The same palace where we use our platform they fight for. Now the same palace they oppress us. The same palace put many of us for that danger. The same palace make many of us that for but not see. Yes, no.
What a pity. Tell me now, the difference between the video you already did years ago and the video of your banner seven or soon no we are now it was the so what can by your equal. Tell me the difference between these 3 people video. You already the same video you already did, now be the same video where Frank do so. Why tabona? So my people, Epa Omede. You know me very well. Also, yes. And I really did my job until today, because if you Epa, I believe now we born weti. Uberi no yunuta. They not gbera. So we have to be very careful. You guys has to be very careful. Do you understand what I'm saying? All the chiefs should stay away from presenters. Because most of these presenters, some of them, people like this Frank, would they $5 They will fool themselves and talk nonsense. Here waiting at temata. We are gonna make come. We are gonna be in 1982. I waiting. Where a German getting a temata. And ye beg me at two time. I may beg me. Can you imagine the rubbish? Or Monabia in 1982. Nonsense. Nonsense. My people, now good night. God bless you. So, many presenters go drink water for this social media. E.g. Frank. Frank I me because all ya very good ekene where if ye enemy if ye in your ma gien your giomara every ori gien ye ya wu ye meteriansi. All very good me ajowa. Ugwe edenu we have me a big Frank when I lawa a video now I will share it. My begin no meta no se me ya ukwa. I know to call, I know to send it to. I am working we are you ya very good ya wame. E no call no latia. That's for that. So I will go buy ya. Uwaya sungu. Ogunyoba. Ogunyoba. Unless he were manedo musegiwa. Unless he were no edo or musegiwa. Maybe you uwa everyone dona. Uwa waya sefa iba boka la wagbe we la wagbe ava. Unless e gwado edo musegiwa. O baba musegiwa. Iba boga la wagbe uhuwa wa ya sefa kunwe mo wa bi wa ugbe ebi yo ga jene hia combien do no fi pe yo to de do ni me na yo kan to iba bo ala egbe we yo ga la egbe avant ogun ye wa o ga kin ebe o ga po we di no de ebi yo ga jene hia iye ki agami o iye ki agami iye ki ga de o ga gbiyo bi yo bo ne bi o o to ti wa kin aye ne bi o o re ti yin ye me re ti yin de iye ki ga